Hello everyone, welcome to CapCut editing tip for beginners. Since you already have CapCut installed in your phone, open CapCut and tap on new video, add video. So you select multiple video clips, then tap on add. The videos that you already created, you select them and then you tap on add. So select all the clips you want to use and add to your timeline. First of all, you mute the original audio so that the background noise or talking won't be heard. Yes, because this is an advert for, let's say, a particular flyer. Then you trim your clips to remove unwanted parts by dragging the edges. Yes, you use your hand to drag the edges so that you cut off those unwanted parts. As you are doing this, just make sure you do it in such a way that it will stay fine and then presentable to the eyes. So since I already muted the audio that comes with the video, you're going to tap on audio, then sound, then you select add to add a music to the video. If you tap on extra, that means you want to extract a particular sound from your video, but instead tap on sound. When you tap on sound, it's going to take you to a list of different sound. Please don't tap on the one having free trial. If you tap on that one, you won't be able to export it when it's time. Just tap on the one not carrying any free trial at all. So now then you go further to using animation. Now when you use animation, it makes your video more engaging, just like the way I did. Just tap on, you have different animations to play around with. Just tap on anyone that will give it a very beautiful look, just like the way I did here. So now if you're talking about someone's brand or your own business brand, you will use the overlay to put the flyer. Yes, you tap on overlay this way. You go back, tap on overlay, then you tap on the business flyer. Sorry, I'm not using a business flyer. I'm going to use any flyer so that we'll have an idea of what I'm trying to explain. So make sure you have any flyer saved in your phone first. You tap and add, then you use your hand to drag it so that it can have a balance. Because when you don't drag it as it is moving, it will just stop where you added it. So when you drag it to the end of your video, you can actually watch it throughout. And then at the end of your last clip, add that same flyer too, so that when you're done, it will give it a very beautiful look. You don't just end your video like that, because it's like an advert. Okay, so and that is it. You can just go back, watch the video. You can see that the effects you've added, the animations, the sound, everything will just fall in place. Okay, so and that is it. In my next video, I will show you how to add text, sound effects, styles, remove background noise, how to add slow motion effects to your video. So that will be all for now. Okay, see you in my next video, and do not forget to tap on export to save your video. Thank you.